clown, bitch, give me the knife. I'm about to walk the fuck out the door in the moonlight. It's about 3 a.m. in the morning, right? If you're fucking with me, come on to my block. We bang with the East Realm homies on the block. That be the niggas, the only one that we fucking with. Everybody else getting guns, knives, stuck and shit. Yeah, they getting fucked with. Yeah, we don't give a fuck. Bitch, you fucking with the East Realm, niggas throw it up. Bitch, you fucking with the East Realm, bitches swelling up. Bitch, you fucking with the East Realm, niggas throw it up, throw it up, throwing up. Yeah, big kids throw it up. Everybody know we know it, know it, know we don't give a fuck with the knife, bitch. Bloody on the knife, bitch. Woke up nasty day with the blood on the right, bitch. Oh. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Oh. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Oh. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Oh. Oh. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife. I think I might have went out and fucking stabbed somebody's wife. I'm a fucking criminal, I think my brain is twisted. Matter of fact, I know it is, I know my name is unlisted. You will never find me, my name is B to the dash to the L-O. Bitch, none of y'all niggas will ever know true identity. I pass like Godzilla, walk right straight through the night like Godzilla. Bitch, from Thriller, a crooked horror convention. Did you see me there? I sit with your brother and henchman, and I fucking flashback with dimensions. I see fucking triple visions and stackings. That's where I'm sitting with the fucking kingpin, and everybody in this bitch getting hanged in. And when they getting fucked up, they getting chopped up. Yeah, motherfucker, everybody getting fucked up.
Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, bitch. Woke up yesterday with the blood on the knife, what?
Bitch, nigga, don't fuck with me. I'm that motherfucking hoe to the G. Yeah, nigga, from way back in the day, I'm your homie. All my motherfucking homies, they know me. So if you fucking know us, fucking show us love, cause you know we fucking know this. All for y'all motherfuckers out there, fucking with the East Realm, disciples up in here like, yeah. Right here. Banging with the East Realm, we up in here.